So today what I'm going to be doing is installing my YakAttack Mighty Mount XL. Of course I'm reading it, cheat sheet. It's just going to be a rail to hold accessories and put on my kayak. I decided I want to put mine here because it's hard for me to reach everything when it's up here. What's up, YouTube? What's going on? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with D. I'm glad you're here. So today what I'm going to be doing is installing my YakAttack Mighty Mount XL. Sorry about the carpet. I'm out in the garage, the dungeon. I'm going to make some upgrades on the stickers, but today it's about the Mighty Mount YakAttack Mighty Mount XL. Sorry if I don't know the exact words. Alright, so whenever we're doing stuff like this that's messing with the kayak, it always feels like risky business for me because people that know me, I'm a nervous wreck. So let's read what it says. We'll work off the cheat sheet right quick. So it's saying tools required: drill with a 1/8 drill bit and a Phillips screwdriver. That's how simple they're saying it is. But I don't want to drill mine into I want to drill mine into this little padding, so I'm gonna get some X-Acto blades, which I had right here for a couple of years. We got our drill with the 1/8 bit. Okay, we got our screwdriver, and we're going in. Hopefully this is a simple thing. There we are. I'm wondering, should I mark it and measure it? Let's just go for it. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh wow. Well, we're making a cut, guys. We are in. My precious kayak. My precious kayak is getting cut. So I'm gonna say right now, guys, when you do this, make sure your blade is sharp. So I'm doing this on a Bonafide, so I'm pretty sure you guys can do this on any kayak. Let's see what we got going on. See if my cut should be deeper. Not too bad. Okay, for those who worry a lot like me about cutting their kayak, I would say the plastic's pretty tough. Plastic is pretty tough. I don't know if this is like something you really got to be worried about, like fine art, fine tuning type of thing. I will vacuum that up. I'm afraid of putting chemicals on my kayak, so I don't want to put anything like goof off on here, because I don't want the kayak to start disintegrating. And if you guys know anything about using chemicals on your kayak, please leave something in the comments to help everybody else out and myself, because I guess us paranoid, extra safe kayakers get worried about that kind of stuff. Or maybe I'm the only one. Help me out. Alright, I think that's good enough. Because I don't know if any of that has to be pretty. And actually I have two of these I'm going to do. But I don't know if any of this has to be pretty, because I'm just going to do this. Well, pretty it is not. Right there. Like I said, I'm going to get a sharper blade, but it does fit. The fit is nice. The fit is nice. It says install YakAttack products at your own risk. Alright, so we're on our own, guys. Alright, but it also says each installation is different, and these instructions are not a substitute for good judgment. If in doubt, you should have this product professionally installed. Well, I think it's a little late for that. We're here. I'm not a professional, so don't. I'm not a professional. Alright, here we go. This is what I dreaded. So I'm gonna almost guarantee you guys, if I could do this, you can do this. Alright. So I'm gonna do it like this, guys, because I don't want anything moving. Actually, you know what? Let's go. Let's do this. This looks like it's going well. Actually, I don't want to have like 50 bad holes or 10 bad holes. So what I want to do is, let's fill these out. We got our screws here. Let's fill these out. Let's before we drill all 10 holes, this is me. I'm just adding my own twist to this, or what they said is a substitute for good judgment. So I feel like this is good judgment. Let's at least get one. Let's set the torque. See how much torque it's going to take. I like that. So that's, I don't know what your drill says. I'm going number 4. It says do not over tighten. So we got 2 in. Well, we got 1 in. Sorry. We got 1 in. Okay, I think 4 is good, because you don't want to over tighten. This is plastic, so I'm going to use the theory like when you put on tires. When you put your tire on, you alternate bolts. Guys, that. I'm feeling pretty proud. I'm feeling pretty proud. All right, so that's locked into place. I like how that feels. Guys, as far as the presentation, I like that. That looks good. So let's see what we can do. I don't know if that's a good let's throw on an accessory, one that I know I'm going to use. I should clean the track out, but I'm anxious. Ooh. Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. That feels pretty doggone good. And voila. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, let's push it back a little more so you can, for presentation's sake, when I get out on a kayak, I'll figure out if I like it here, there, or wherever. There it is. We're on. I mean, you know, that's just how that feels. You can make your adjustments. Anybody who has one of these know they feel like that. Well, I mean, the gear track is holding. This is how it feels on every other gear track I have. Alright guys, installed by yours truly. It was the YakAttack Mighty Mount XL gear track. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. Just take your time. Like the instructions said, use good judgment. I think we used good judgment today, using the torque. But it's on there. It feels like it's on there pretty doggone good. I ain't mad at it. Actually, I'm pretty excited because I've been bending over and reaching for my rod because this is a big kayak. Anyway, it was easy. It was good. It went well. I got another one installed, but I'm not going to drag you guys through that. So if you found some value in the video, like it, share it, comment. If you find an easier way or feel like you know an easier way, leave it in the comments. Let me know. All right. Keep fishing. Keep going hard. Try new techniques. Use good judgment. Stay out there, guys. All right. I'm pushing for you. Hope to see you in the next video. Peace out.